For fun diversion we have met together, I tell you, from Waterford hither we came. We crossed the big ocean in dark stormy weather, our pockets were light and our hearts were the same. Sad at leaving old Ireland, we're once more on dry land, by the roadside a tavern I chanced for to spy, and as I was melting me pockets I felt, and for the price of a drink I was mortally dry. For we are the boys with such fun and such eloquence, drinking and dancing and all other joys, for ructions, destructions, diversion and devilment, who's to compare with the Waterford boys? In the tavern I roll, in the landlord he strolled, and good Morris says he, and says I, if you please, will you give me a bed, and then bring me some bread and a bottle of port and a small piece of cheese. My bread and cheese ended, I then condescended to take my repose. Sure, I bade him good night, when under the clothes I was trying to doze, first I stuck in me toes and then popped out the light. Well, I wasn't long sleeping when I heard something creeping and gnawing and chawing around the bedpost. My breath I suspended, but the noise never ended. Thinks I, you have damnable claws for a ghost. Now, to make myself easy, for I felt rather lazy, well, over me head I again pulled the clothes. You're a Moses, what's that? Should a great big jack rat with one lip from the floor jumped right up to me nose. For we are the boys with such fun and such eloquence, drinking and dancing and all other joys, corruptions, destructions, diversion and devilment, who's to compare with the Waterford boys? Well, I reached for a hobnail and made up a bobtail and wrestled with rats till the clear light of day, when the landlord came in and he says with a grin, for your supper and bed you 5 shillings to pay. 5 shillings for what? Now don't be disgracing yourself, says I to the rogue, if you please. When I can't sleep with these rats, you've the devil's own face, and you to charge me 5 shillings for dry bread and cheese. Oh, the landlord went raring and leaping and tearing, he jumped through the window and he kicked in the door. When he could go no further, he roared me, you murdered these rats, they are rating me up by the score. Sure, they sleep in me stable, they ate from me table, they've wrestled me dogs and they've killed all me cats. Trottin, says I, who give me those 5 shillings, and I'll tell you a way to get rid of the rats. Nay, well then, says he, well, invite them to supper, and dry bread and cheese lay before them, be sure, never mind if they're willing, but charge them 5 shillings, and divil the rat will you ever see more.